hear it raining outside, so let's take a look. Oh yeah, it is raining. I can get a good look outside. Kind of hard to see the rain on camera, but it is falling. This is actually kind of a nice white sky, honestly, if I'm being honest. I can see it raining and dropping, but you probably won't be able to see it very well on camera because of the screen. You might see it a bit, though. Yeah, the wet window on the other side. I don't think it's starting to calm down. It was really bad earlier. I woke up this morning to what happened to be a very loud thunder boom, and then I hear like a thunder crash. Like actually you can feel it crashing in a certain direction, and then it happened again. I think that's all gone, but I don't think you'll be able to hear the rain. Raining though. It's starting to calm down a little bit. I just heard it out of nowhere, so very white sky for a day like this. Don't like it that way, honestly, but don't know otherwise. There's a look outside. Screen's kind of in the way, I apologize. But it's still raining, actually. I don't know if you can see it right now. Don't know if that's actually... I can see it out the window, but you probably won't be really able to see it on here. Actually, maybe this will help. Instead of looking on the screen, we'll look up here. It's starting to kick up again. Oh yeah, there's like some puddles down there. Look at that. Yeah, that apparently is there. Right here too. And over down there. And also over here. So, very rainy. Now we got puddles in the grass. Nice sounding, but there's the roads all the way back in there. Don't see any other puddles. Oh yeah, oh yeah, there's actually more of this down there. Look at that. Wow. It's been raining basically all morning at this point. Yeah, basically all morning at this point it's been raining. Here you can get a better view. Hopefully. You can probably see it raining now. Like earlier. You can probably see the little bit of the bush on the right. It's over there. Yeah. Very rainy day today. And it's going to be like this tomorrow, too. Oh, boy. Yeah, pretty bad day, but yeah. That's it, I guess. You can see the rain outside.